Hello. Hello, this is the My Artifact episode number 3445. Today's date is 9th of June 2025. It's been almost like a night at 10:06 p.m. Okay. Uh, should we directly jump into the question? Yeah, let's just directly jump into the question. By the way, there is some sort of noises that you might gonna heard in the artifact because little bit far away or not that far away, maybe I don't know, but it just like there is some sort of DJ is actually firing a lot. So probably I'm not really sure that you are hearing this thing or not, but yeah, yeah, you are kind of like hearing this thing very much properly because okay, it's a really cool. Right now I'm actually seeing this. Okay, yeah, right now. Okay, so what is actually phone that I have this Poco X7 Pro. Okay, at the moment. Okay, yeah, I just bought almost like 7 months ago. Okay, yeah, 6 months ago I bought this phone, Poco X7 Pro, which is really good phone by the way. And right now it has upgrade basically couple of days ago I just upgrade, like it get little bit of upgrade. Okay, and because of this upgradation the entire audio recording is kind of like a suddenly change. Right now I could see the waveform of the whatever the word that I am actually saying this thing, and the waveform is kind of like a simply up and down according to the pitch of the sound and things like that. As well as I'm actually seeing the text, like a legit text, I am actually saying, and kind of like a AI is kind of like a generating that text, which is like a really cool. Yeah, it is really cool. And right now I'm seeing that you might gonna heard little bit of sound from the song, but it's not imprint in this here, so it is really good. Yeah, whatever. We directly jump into the question. All right, yeah. Okay, question is, what are the best way to get funding for startup in India? Okay, yeah. What are the best way to get funding in India, funding startup in India? Okay, yeah. What exactly is this question and why I'm actually asking this question to myself? Why? First of all, is that this is a business related question. Okay, yeah. In the future, I wanted to establish a business. I wanted to establish a startup. Okay, yeah. And for that thing I need to know regarding about how do we should supposed to do business. I didn't really know anything regarding about business. I didn't really know how to do business, or I haven't really graduated, just nothing really at all. Okay, yeah. Asking these questions to myself regarding about business, it is kind of like it's only really essential for me to know what will gonna happen in the future, and I will gonna make sure that am I prepared for this or not. Because it's just like that running a business in India is there is a very difficult thing. Okay, yeah. Basically I heard that almost like a 90% of the every business is actually fail at early stages, 90%. Yeah, so basically only 10% has a success rate. So is my startup or is my thing or is a kind of like a is kind of like a, in that particular in 10% success rate or not, I'm not really sure. So that's what I'm kind of like I'm trying to be convince myself, not to convince but try to understand myself that how do I supposed to do business, how do I supposed to execute this thing. By the way, this because of this sound and things like that now I'm kind of like a something like that not really focused. I wanted to be focused, but it's just like the sound is the that DJ is like a little bit interfering with me. Whatever, I'm trying to be focused as much as I can. Okay, yeah. Now let's talk about the funding. Yeah, like if I wanted to establish my application. Okay, yeah, like I already explained regarding about what is exactly my business, what is exactly my business idea and everything. I mentioned this thing previously in artifact episode multiple times. Okay, yeah, so I will not gonna explain this thing again. Okay, yeah, like I'm directly kind of like a focus on um, I am directly focused on kind of like a something. There is a lot of disturbance are right here. Like there is a sound, there is a dog is barking, Okay, I just like I wanted to talk, but it's just like lot of disturbance, and I'm kind of like a distracting multiple things. Okay, yeah. Whatever. Okay, you have to be focused. Yeah. How do you supposed to get funding? How, what kind of like a something like that key? What are the people that you might think that ki they will kind of like a something fund, like they will provide you some sort of amount of money. Okay, yeah. Let's just understand from basic point of perspective. Yeah, why do I really require money? Yeah, essential. Why? Basically, okay, let's just imagine. Okay, not imagine, let's just like a, I wanted to create a Android application, iOS application. Okay, yeah. So basically, if I wanted to create this application, I need to hire a developer who create this particular app. Okay, regarding about my ideas and things like that. Okay, yeah. I need to hire at least one or two people at the beginning. I have to be launch this kind of like a something app. Okay, yeah. And for the operation of this app, I need a kind of like a couple of things, like a couple of people mostly. Okay, yeah. Okay, I'm not actually kind of like expecting too much amount of team. Like I'm not actually expecting that ki I have hundreds of people working in my company. It will be in the future, but at the beginning I might not gonna afford that so many people. So I am gonna hire a very selective people who are kind of like a doing or putting the effort, very crucial effort. Okay, yeah. So basically I'm gonna hire very less amount of people. Okay, yeah. But they will not gonna do a work for free. Obviously I have to give some sort of amount of money. So my first thing is that I have to be use my own money. Okay, do I have a money? Well, right now I am also a content creator too. Okay, I am a creator content regarding about graphic designing, Photoshop, photography. These are my genre. I'm creating content regarding about that. I have 1,500 subscriber on YouTube platform, and as well as 12,000 follower on Instagram platform. In both the platform, I'm not earning any single amount of money, nothing really at all. But in the future, means like maybe couple of years after, or maybe next year, I might gonna start some sort of amount of money. Okay, yeah. But obviously, it's not that, yeah. But still I'm thinking that in the content creation business I might gonna earn little bit amount of money. Okay, somewhat something, I little bit amount of money, and I invested every money that I earn, I invest entire money into my business. Okay, yeah. First thing, to kind of like giving the salary of the developer and things like that. Okay, yeah. But still I do really require the money. Okay, yeah. So where that money came from, like who is a person that I wanted to kind of like a something like that ki I have to be go through, yeah, what, like I have to be find a kind of like a some investor. So who do you think that ki that person would kind of like a something invest? Okay, have you ever kind of like a prepared any kind of like a homework for that, for investing money or things like that? Okay, not really. Okay, yeah. Like basically is this thing, I'm gonna use my own money, that is for sure, I know. Okay, yeah. But definitely I need a investment. Okay, yeah. So but first of all is that na ki I need to kind of like ask this question to myself, not the ask, but I just have to prepare myself regarding about what will gonna happen. Okay, yeah. Means like that ki I am not expecting too much amount of money from the investor. Okay, yeah. Why? Because of that ki I kind of like a simply wanted to scale up my business according to the profit, or according to kind of like a something that I can do that. What do you mean by that? Okay, yeah. Most of the business, or most of the business are kind of like a something fail is because of that ki they assume or they think that ki their customer are so much. So basically is this thing, they will kind of like a something that ki they are kind of like expanding the business, they are kind of like a fund the business, they are finding the investor, and they will kind of like invest 10 10 crore, 20 crore, so much amount of money on the business, but the profit they will not gonna generate that much. Okay, so this is kind of like only one of the biggest problem that most of the businessing person or most of the owners, they don't really understand the reality that the why does people will gonna use your application or use your product or what. Okay, yeah. So before this thing, before I need to find the kind of like a funding and things like that, I need to ask multiple questions to myself that key, is my product or is my service is kind of like a solving some sort of problem, or is it, what is it? Okay, yeah. This is very essential thing, because in the end investor is a investor. Okay, if he is the investor, is invest some sort of amount of money, obviously he need money, obviously he need his money back too, with the profit, right? With the profit, he is not just kind of like investing money for just, yeah, the in the future you might gonna business do well, so yeah, it's not that. The investor is kind of like a invest money is because of that he thinks that in the future he will gonna invest, he will gonna kind of like a gain profit more. Okay, so that's why he's investing money. So one of the most important question that I should supposed to be asked to myself, that key, does my application or does my services is kind of like a solve the problem? Yes. Okay, yeah. How? Well, I already mentioned this thing that key, how does my application is kind of like a simply solve the problem. Okay, yeah. Regarding about that key, like what is exactly my business? Okay, let me explain this thing in very short. Okay, I explain this thing very deeply, but yeah, this is like a things that you are actually hearing is called artifact episode. Okay, yeah. What is exactly artifact episode? It's a kind of like a something audio diary, means like that the people who write the diary every single day, this is what exactly is it like instead of writing, I'm kind of like a converting into the recording, means like that I record the whatever the stuff that I wanted to talk, that I wanted to kind of like express and things like that. When I express my thoughts and emotions regarding about particular topic, particular things, I understand myself more. I understand, like basically is this thing na ki, when I talk with myself, I connect with myself more. Okay, yeah. It's a kind of like a thing that ki, we are the person, we are the human, and in our entire period of life, we are like in our entire period of lifetime, we try to know each other so much, but there is a one of the biggest important person in your life that you haven't really met or you haven't really talked, and that person is you. Okay, yeah. My application is a kind of like a connect with yourself, that what is exactly your want, what is exactly your purpose, why are you born on this planet and things like that. Okay, yeah. And this is what kind of like a something artifact, it's kind of like a connect with yourself. Okay, yeah. And because of this thing, when you ask kind of like a something, when you try to talk with yourself, when you ask bunch of questions to yourself, you will know yourself much better. And when you know yourself much better, you will take the better decision you for your life. You know yourself what exactly that you want. You are crystal clear about what is exactly that you want. Okay, yeah. You are not really confused regarding about like I found so many people are so confused that what exactly they want. Okay, yeah. But it's just like that artifact is kind of like a something being really crystal clear regarding about what is exactly their life and what is exactly they want in their life. It is really essential for them as well as others too. Okay, yeah. As well as in every factor regarding about choosing a right career and everything. I mentioned this thing so many stuff in previous articles. Why I am saying this thing very confidently is because of that I am doing this practice for almost like a decade, more than decade. I started this thing at the 11th of February 2015, and since then I'm recording every single day. Yeah. So because of when I record every single day, it is kind of like a something became the part of me. The artifact episode is actually became the part of me. Okay, yeah. And it is like a, I don't know how do I supposed to explain this thing. It's a kind of like a something self-reflection. I wanted to kind of like a something give you some sort of that key. Have you understand the mental therapy? Okay, yeah. Like a therapy is a kind of like mental therapy is not kind of like a stuff that you are thinking. Imagine mental therapy is like that key, like whatever the problem that you have in your life, emotional or whatever it is, okay, yeah, you just kind of like something talk with such a person who is a bit really experienced regarding about all those emotions and things like that, okay, yeah, the therapist. And kind of like that particular person is kind of like a try to connect with yourself, try to find you what exactly you want and things like that. My artifact is kind of like a doing the same thing with, but with very higher level, like it's kind of like that, like as a therapy person who's kind of like a asking you for almost like a money for his session and things like that. But when you record the artifact, it just, I don't know, it is really great, okay, yeah. Also like when I record the artifact episode, I understand so many things, okay, yeah. But one of the important thing is that if I'm thinking from business point of perspective, I need to understand that people will not gonna start recording artifact episode. Yeah, literally not. Why? Like even if I'm saying all those bold word that it will gonna happen good thing and that, people will not gonna record the artifact. That is true. Why? Because we are humans and we didn't really kind of like a believe in such a things that someone is kind of like a say and we believe in that. No, we are not. We are kind of like we are human. We are kind of like a believe in realistic approach, that what is actually happen and things like that. The realistic approach is actually happen when you experience or when you have that particular information. If I'm saying this thing, there is very less chance that people will might gonna believe in this thing or not, okay, yeah. So regarding our business point of perspective, my purpose is that the people should supposed to be make more and more artifact episode, but at the beginning they will not gonna make the artifact episode. Like at the beginning, like since I launched the app, it might take almost like a 5 year to kind of like some people will start slowly it will start, because when I start recording artifact episode now, it will kind of like a very difficult for me, because when I started talking with myself, it was so awkward, like legitimately so awkward. This is kind of like some same thing happened with the people too, like they are feel really awkward to talk with themselves, okay, yeah. But since they're really comfortable, they will gonna talk and they will gonna talk every single day. So basically the time duration required for being comfortable, it takes almost like a 6 months, yeah. Like for me, it took me almost like a 6 months to be a comfortable. So this is what I want, okay. The people will gonna start talk, like people will not gonna start talk like since the launch the app and things like that, it's not, okay, yeah. So what I am kind of like expecting that my application will grow at the beginning very slow rate, okay, yeah. Like a beginning 5 year is a kind of like a something very difficult for me, that people will not gonna record the artifact and things like that, okay, yeah. So I need to find such a investor who is kind of like a believe in my craft, believe in the stuff that I wanted to talk, okay. And as well as I wanted to tell him like upfront that dude, like this is the problem, and you and me will not gonna earn any single amount of money within a 5 year, or else like you or me will gonna face the losses. Yeah, literally we will gonna face the losses. So it just like that, it's a very risky business for the investor too, okay, yeah. There is only one thing that that person should supposed to be invest money is only the idea, because the kind of like something like that stuff that I'm doing and kind of like something getting so much amount of value in myself in my entire period of lifetime. I need that particular person, I need a particular investor who understand and have a patience, okay. When that particular investor has that kind of like some patience that okay, yeah, this will definitely work. So then and only then I will allow that investor to invest money on my application, okay, yeah. I will not gonna kind of like take any funding from any random person, no, nothing at all, because in the end I will not hungry for money, okay, yeah. Even if kind of like it takes time, I just try to be take I'm believe in baby steps, okay. I'm not taking for higher steps, I'm just taking baby steps that like a we should I should supposed to be expand the business regarding about the customer approach, or regarding about that how does kind of like somebody value that providing to the customer and does they like it or not, okay, yeah. And I'm kind of like expand my business regarding about the people point of perspective. That is, yeah. So this is what it is. So this is the why I kind of like a find a, such an investor who just understand the idea, and yeah, that's it. But dude, like like but like basically you just kind of like saying all this thing, then you will might not gonna found any kind of like investor or nothing really at all. Then how do you supposed to do that? Like if you didn't really found any investor, what will gonna do? Well, that is a, yeah, like basically obviously if I didn't really found any investor, I shouldn't supposed to be run my business and things like that. And if I didn't really run my business, then what is actually point of having the business? It just nothing really at all, no. I know, yaar. Like basically, is this thing that ki like basically my ethics are kind of like a something not perfect from kind of like a something establish a good business. Yeah, I'm kind of like a thinking from long term point of perspective. I'm not thinking that ki like just get an investment and that's it and just we are become rich and things like that. No, like basically is this thing na ki I created this particular artifact and things like that for understanding the people, to know them better. Okay, yeah, I want to people record the artifact for like a, for the good purpose. Okay, yeah, money is kind, yeah, like yes, I wanted to earn money, like definitely it's not that I don't want to earn money, definitely I want to earn money too. But it's not like I'm not really hungry for that. It's not that key just like that key, let's just get the investment and they expand the business and things and that, and we just have to do those things and spend the money on marketing and things and that. I don't, yeah, I don't want. Okay, like basically I just wants that ki people should supposed to be kind of like a kind of like a like improve by themselves. It's I don't know, dude, yeah, like basically just like that na ki. Okay, regarding about marketing point of perspective, because most of the money are actually spent on a marketing. Okay, yeah, so there is also I have a plan too. Okay, yeah, since I am content creator, okay, in the future I might gonna have so many followers or people who are subscribe and things like that. Okay, yeah, I can easily market my business on my social media. Okay, which is kind of like a something easy and which is also really free too. Okay, yeah, so in the marketing things, I might gonna convert at least 100 people. That's it, just 100 people. I'm not asking too much amount of people. Just if I convert 100 people to record the artifact, fine for me. Yeah, fine for me. It is like a really big for me. Yeah, so yes. So regarding about the investment and things like that, yes, I need a kind of like a simply investment, but this is a kind of like a simply rule book that I will gonna provide to the investor that dude, this is it, this is that. Okay, yeah. But dude, yeah, be realistic now. Like just be, if you don't really found any investor, how do you supposed to run the business and things like that? Okay, yeah, that's okay. So let me tell you the what is exactly my plan. Okay, yeah. First of all is that key, as I mentioned earlier, I will gonna kind of like a simply run my business regarding about the whatever the money that I earn from the social media, I will invest all the money to run my business. Okay, one thing. Another thing is that obviously the money that I earn from social media is a really less, and probably it's not really that key. It's not really that key kind of like a something key. I can capable enough to run the business. Okay, yeah, obviously I need an investor, but it's just like I will expand my business according to the money that I have. Means like that ki I might gonna hired maybe almost like a two person. Okay, only two developer, not that much, like a two developer and me, that's it. Means like only three people will gonna work on my app, that's it. Okay, yeah, it's, I'm not kind of like a try to expert. And as well as this thing, if I have only two developer, whatever the kind of like a something the growth or whatever the kind of like a something the um, work is actually done, I'm kind of like a believe in that. Like also I'm trying to use a smart way. Like I'm just trying to use a kind of like a something that key artificial intelligence. How do we supposed to use artificial intelligence to use little less amount of people, so that AI will kind of like a something work done. Okay, I'm trying to focus on AI agents and things like that, and as well as my application is actually AI powered application. Okay, yeah, so it is kind of like a something all those things. So I have to be use AI mostly to kind of like a something reduce the